Welcome to 3924. My name is Aaron. Whether you are a prospective college student, a new college student, or a continuing college student, the videos on this channel draw from my own experience as a college student and from my 27-year career in higher education to emphasize the rules for success in college. The videos are intended to be viewed in sequence, but can also be viewed independently to guide you to form good habits, to proactively avoid many of the struggles that college students encounter, and to have a successful, fun, fulfilling, and rewarding college career. As you watch the videos, if you would like to request an individual consultation or would like to schedule a group presentation, please email success@ThreeNineTwoFour.com.